Welcome to Revit Family Creation for Architecture. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer online courses that introduce each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Revit modeling. With the completion of our BIM management courses, clients have the opportunity to obtain knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday.
The objective of the Autodesk Revit Family Creation for Architecture course is to guide and enable students who have worked within the software to expand their knowledge in creating custom system families, in-place families, and component family types. Completion of this one-day course will enable students to create custom wall and floor types, set up component families with parametric framework, create various family geometry for design purposes, create different family types for change in size and materials, modify the visibility of components and incorporate additional family items such as controls and additional parameters, create specific families, in-place families, profiles, annotations, and parameter types. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive, with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class to help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow. Each attendee will access Autodesk Revit through our unique lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students create custom architectural system families, create custom component families in an architectural design, modify existing and custom families by creating new types and parameters. During this one-day course, each student will discover how to create system family types for architectural walls, floors, roofs, and ceilings, modify wall types vertically to include split materials, profiles, and reveals, create a vertically stacked wall type from 2 or more wall types, understand the different types of families that can be created within the software, set up a parametric framework for families using reference planes, dimensions, and labels, flex the framework to test that each parameter functions correctly, create solid or void forms, including extrusions, blends, revolves, sweeps, and swept blends, create different family types for change in size and materials, insert components and associate various parameters together, control the display of elements and views at various detail levels using visibility settings, create two-dimensional detail families, create custom in-place families that align directly within the project. Our experienced and well-knowledgeable instructors take 3D modelers through how Revit functions, best sparking ideas for implementation and design, while giving employees the confidence to transition into a software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that comes with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting designers in tackling daily obstacles and helping them move through work problems and issues more efficiently and quicker. Upon completion of this course, technicians, designers, and managers alike, each will gain the confidence to create a new project or open an existing model and navigate seamlessly while easily moving through the various views in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease, cutting down the time that companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees, and understanding how new software can and will be implemented in their daily workflow. IMAGINiT's Revit Family Creation for Architecture course equips students with the capabilities that they will need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional building information modeling software.